Hello class, welcome to ACLT 053 for week 11. For this week in ACLT 053, you will be working on your CRJS essay proposal. In this essay proposal, you are going to reflect on what you're doing in English 101 with your peer review, and you'll be writing a 1 to 2 paragraph proposal of your essay's purpose and analysis of the common readings. So you'll answer the following questions in paragraph format. What is your topic? Why did you choose it? Who is your audience for this essay? What will you need to consider included in your essay? Which sources from the common readings will you need to support your topic? What information do you need to find in your own experience or research to support your ideas? What do you want the audience to know, or to understand, or to believe, or to do by the end of the essay? Please organize your essay in paragraph format, and if you are going to use in-text citation, remember to write the last name of the author and the page or paragraph number at the end, and please include an MLA works cited for the sources that you actually do cite in your paragraph, and for the sources that you plan to use in your essay. And please don't forget to respond to at least 2 other peers for the peer responses. The next assignment that you will be required to do later in the week, near the end of the week, will be the Module 3 reflection essay. So after completing your module assignments and essay for the CRJS module, you're going to reflect on your experiences, your growth, and challenges with the critical reading, writing, and thinking. You should respond to some or all of the questions below in an essay format and focus on what has been most relevant to your growth during the module. The length of this essay is about 1 to 2 double-spaced pages. So reflect on your learning environment, your time management, and other factors that influence your progress. What is working well? What will you need to continue to work on? What resources can you seek out for assistance? Discuss your level of engagement with the module content. How did you connect with the learning resources? How did your thinking extend or change? Refer to the ACLT course objectives in the syllabus. Excuse me, and explore your progress and the challenges you've encountered. Use examples from the module essay as evidence of your growth and development. What are you most proud of? What do you feel challenged by? Describe your goals. So this is an essay. You'll organize it in paragraph format. Please make sure to include an original nifty title and also include MLA style formatting, in-text citation when needed, and of course a works cited page at the end. And make sure to have a thesis statement that captures the key factors of your growth. Support your thesis statement with examples from your own writing, and of course cite any sources that you use or borrow from an outside source, and include a works cited page. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.